Hi guys, so in today's video is going to be another Shakira Speaks. Okay, I haven't done these in a while, and I'm trying to get back in the move and the groove of doing these commentary videos. I just don't want to burn myself out doing them and then hating to do commentary, because I've been there before. Okay, I was uploading commentary once every single day for a whole year straight, and I got burnt out, and I don't want that to happen again. I want to actually talk about topics that I feel need to be talked about. So in today's video, I want to talk about the whole just hilarious stuff and some of the things that she said about trans women and black women or women in general. I'm not here to be politically correct. I'm here to just tell you guys how I feel. Is strictly straight to the point. I'm not saving anybody's feelings or emotions or anything like that, because quite frankly I don't care. Okay, so Just Hilarious said that real women, biological women, do not want to be called cis women, and I am here cold-heartedly to 100% agree and support Miss Just Hilarious. A lot of things that she do are, people will say, is distasteful or put a bad light on black women as far as her comedy and stuff goes. But what she said as far as calling the queer community or the trans women, calling us cis women, I wholeheartedly believe that we as women need to actually stand up, especially heterosexual women that actually identify as biological women. We need to stand up for ourselves, because we're about to get ran over. There is nothing wrong with whoever want to accept the name being called cis, but I think as a collective, biological women want to be seen, want to be heard, and want their rights upheld the same way like how the trans women want their rights to be seen, heard, and upheld, or the queer community in general. And if a biological woman stands and tell you that she do not want to be called cis woman, she is a biological woman and she wants to be called a woman, that should not be up for contention. That should not be up for discussion. And I know, especially as women, we didn't have any part in, like, especially black women on a whole didn't have part in gender roles and stuff like that. But it's 2023. Please stop bringing up certain things when we are trying to address issues that are happening now. We are here to say that we don't want to be called cis women, period, point blank, period. And we are not here to gatekeep periods. One thing I will say is people are on social media talking about why biological women want to gatekeep periods, gatekeep a uterus, and gatekeep giving birth. That is what defines us as a woman. That's what makes us a woman. That's how we are biologically set. We have a period, we have uteruses, and we give birth. That is what makes us a woman. And it's not about gatekeeping, it's about the science that backs up why you are a woman and why you are a man. Biologically, a woman is designed to have her period, have a uterus, and give birth. That's what makes us a woman. We're not here to gatekeep anything. I promise you. Biological women do not care if you want to implant a uterus, if you want to get a period, if you want to cut off your penis and turn it into a vagina. We honestly do not give a damn, because biological women would love for men to feel some of the things that we feel on a daily basis, especially around our periods, and how emotional and how off-putting and the pain and the cramps and the uneasiness and the mood swings. We'll give anything to have a man feel at least a little bit of that. And if you as a trans man want to go through that, we welcome you. You can take some of the pain and suffering away from us. We are the blueprint for everything the gays, okay, and the trans people do. Black women I'm talking about. So if a black woman come out and say she do not want to be called a cis woman, it should not be any problem. If you guys want to be called trans, if you want to be called they, them, we as black women always support, always acknowledge and give what you guys want. You guys want to be called trans? Fine. You guys want to call they, them, or you guys want to be called her and not him? Fine. But why is it when we say we don't want to be called cis woman, it's a problem? It should never be a problem, especially if the respect is being reciprocated in your guys' community. You guys want to switch things up and be called she and her, we accept it. You guys want to use the same bathroom as us, okay, whatever, fine, we accept it. Why is it when we say we don't want to be called cis woman is a problem? I do not get it, because obviously the respect is being reciprocated in society, in how the legislations and the laws are going in today's society. So what is the issue? Everybody is free to accept and not accept what they don't. And biological women are saying that they're not going to accept being called cis woman, and it's fine. The same way that you as a trans person don't want to be called a man, or you don't want to be called he, him, is the same way a biological woman don't want to be called a cis woman, and it's fine. So in this instant, we as women, especially biological women and a minority group, which is black women, are always supporting queer, lesbian, the LGBT community, TIA community. So now we as biological black women need to figure out where our support is going to go, because obviously they don't support our stance in not wanting to be called a specific name, but we have to support them in calling them trans, or calling them a woman, or calling them she and her. So this is going to cause big contention and big problems, not only with just biological women, but especially the minority group of black women, because the way how I see trans people or people in the LGBTQIA community talking to black women that voice their opinion that they don't want to be called a cis woman is crazy. You guys have no respect for black biological women, and it shows. And this is why I like the older gays or the older trans people and the older LGBTQI people, because they wanted their rights, they wanted society to accept them or see them or acknowledge them, but they did it in a respectful way, and they respected everyone. And this is why the older gays and lesbians and the queer people in your community need to start teaching the young ones how to move and how to act, because these young LGBTQIA people, they're just doing too much. Respect everyone's opinions, boundaries, and it will be fine. Everyone have boundaries. This is 2023 and we need to respect them. And I'm here to say I wholeheartedly support Just Hilarious, because who is going to support us? We are left hang out to dry, and we support them. Black women are one of the biggest supporters of transgender, gay, lesbian, queer people in general. So to see them go in on a black woman like that on social media is crazy to me. And then the fact that we are the one that you guys took the blueprint from. We are the one, like, if it's no us, if there is no biological woman that want to sleep with a biological male and have kids, then there will not be any you guys. You won't have any trans, any like gay, lesbians, pansexual, any LGBTQIA members. And one thing I realize is the trans men really just sit back, relax, and don't have much to say. It's the trans women that are taking this to a whole different level. And I think the reason is because trans men, they transition from woman to man, and they know what it is like to live in a society as a woman, and they know what it is like to have a uterus. They know what it's like to have the emotional roller coaster of having a period and being pregnancy scares and all the things that comes with being a biological woman, and they did not want it, so they transitioned to a man. The thing I see is that those trans men know what it's like to live in today's society as a woman, okay, and they elect to not be one. And then the trans women don't know what it's like to live in a society as a woman and go through the problems that women face in today's society. All they know is the roles that men play in society, and they have elected not to want to be in that role. But everything that they have taken from birth until when they transition into a female, it seems like they take it over into their transition as a woman, okay, which is why a lot of the misogyny and a lot of the craziness that they are talking on social media still translate even though they transition into a woman. The male thinking, the male way of seeing society and telling women how they're supposed to feel and telling women how they're supposed to react and telling women what they should be called or not called, or telling women what they should do or not do with their body, they still take that from their part of society and transition it into them being trans women. And that's not how it goes. You can't take your male identity and your male train process and your male way of seeing society. If you want to be a woman, you're going to have to see the world in women's eyes. Okay, you're going to have to see the world in societal norms. You're going to have to see the way how women feel. Even though you're a man and you can't feel it, but you're still going to have to talk to women, biological women, and figure out where you stand. You can't take the same misogyny and the way you think and see the world as a male into being a trans woman, because it's not going to work. And I'm gonna say this, shout out to all the people from the LGBTQIA that respect women, biological women, that say they don't want to be called cis woman and they don't have a problem with it, because everybody should be respected and respect should go both ways from both communities. So shout out to you guys. But on that note, I'm going to end this by saying we biological women do not want to be called cis women. It's not about gatekeeping anything. We just want people to respect our boundary, and that is our boundary. We don't want to be called cis women. We want to be called women. The word cis came from black women when black women was referring to each other as cis. Why did you guys take it and twist it and spin it around and now spell it S-C-I-S and calling all biological women cis women? Is crazy to me. But that's a whole other story for a different day. Anyways, like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.